Trying Too Faced Foundation and Concealer. Good morning, beautiful people. This is Anne, Fabulous Life 101. Hey, if you're not already a subscriber to my channel, could you please hit that subscribe button and the bell notifications right now? Thanks so much. On my channel, I cover everything from makeup to meditation and so much more. All about being fabulous at any age. Today, I'm going to let you know whether this Too Faced, Born This Way, 24-hour undetectable super long wear foundation and Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer, whether it works on my mature skin, whether it lasts, altogether what I think. Okay, today I'm going to be doing my face using this Too Faced Born This Way matte foundation. The color is Seashell. This says oil-free, oil control, and waterproof transfer resistance. This is really good in the summer when you sweat a lot. Maybe you don't want as much oil, but it is infused with coconut water, alpine rose, and hyaluronic acid. So several very, very good things. It's supposed to blur away imperfections and feel weightless on skin and undetectable coverage. And also 92% said this foundation does not require touch-ups. Well, I'm putting it to the test. So I'm going to start just by taking a little bit of this, see the pretty little bottle foundation, and it comes out very light. I'll put some on my hand, and then take the brush and just start dabbing it on my face. I think this color is a good match for me. Oh, good news, I don't know where you are, but here in Virginia Beach, Ulta now allows testing again. So I'm thrilled. I'm going to check out Sephora today. I'm not sure if they allow it yet or not. But I was able to actually test colors at Ulta before purchasing this. So I do feel like I got the right shade. Okay, let me examine. I need to just sort of sponge it in to smooth it out a little bit more. I found that taking a little sponge to it helps really blend it in with the skin and avoid streaking and settling into lines. Now, also from Too Faced, I bought this concealer. This is the Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer. Now, I got the shade Vanilla in this because I wanted to go slightly lighter on the concealer than on the rest of my face. So again, I'm going to just touch this like right here. And then I'm taking just my little tiny sponge and blending. This is a nice smooth concealer. By the way, the noise in the background are my cats. They're playing in the room. Yeah, I already put a little shadow on my eyes and a little brow gel, but before doing this. So now to set the concealer and sort of also help with it not settling into lines, I spray a little bit of this. I'm using the NYX Matte Finish Mini Matte Setting Spray. And I've had this bottle for about a year and it's still plenty in it, so it lasts long and it's very inexpensive. And just tap this under here, and that just kind of helps to set it a little bit. All right, now I've already done my shadow, but I'm gonna go off camera for a minute, put on some mascara and do my lips, and I'll be right back. Okay, I've finished up with my lips, my mascara, touched up with a little tiny bit of powder and a little bit of cheek highlighter. But overall, this is my look. And my foundation for this, Too Faced Born This Way 24-hour undetectable super long wear foundation, and concealer, Too Faced Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer. And I'm gonna take notes and touch back later in the day and let you know how it held up. Okay, it's been 8 hours later, and I feel like the makeup is still holding up well. The foundation feels good. It seems to still pretty much be intact, as does the concealer. Overall, yeah, I'm liking this. I'm going to continue to use it and see how my skin feels after using it 2 or 3 days consecutively. But so far, these two products get the thumbs up. Hey, thanks so much for watching. If you liked this video, could you please give us a thumbs up? Also, is there a brand or product you'd like for me to try? If so, please leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. Again, thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.